Want the chance to fly to one of 3 international destinations for free? It's easy to win. All you need to do is reapply to live at the Village for next year. Want to go to London? How about Bangkok? Or maybe Queenstown is more your style? Reapply to live at the Village now for your chance to win. Here's how it works. There are 3 gates that are closing on 3 different dates. For your chance to fly to all destinations and get 3 tickets in the draw, including London, you have to reapply before the gate closes on this offer. This is called Gate 1. Once it's closed, the London flights are gone. For your chance to fly to Bangkok or Queenstown, you have to reapply before the Bangkok flight departs. This is Gate 2. Once it's closed, Thailand is off the list. Can you picture yourself partying in Queenstown? This is Gate 3. And it's the last gate to close. So you have to reapply for your chance to win these flights. Once Gate 3 is closed, the chance to win flights will be gone and the competition will be over. Reapply early for the best chance to win. Reapply online at our website now.